2017 Honda CBR600RR ABS Review. The lineage behind the CBR600RR boasts ongoing track-tested, championship-winning advancements in form and function that have kept this machine at the forefront of the 600 cubic centimeters supersport class. The 2017 CBR600RR delivers strong engine, front suspension featuring Honda's 41mm big piston fork for exceptional handling, and supple action, plus MotoGP-inspired bodywork that's a product of race-tested aerodynamic design. It all adds up to a sport bike that leads the way, whether it's at the track or just a fun afternoon ride on twisty back roads. Some bikes are so expertly designed, they become an extension of the rider. The Honda CBR600RR is that machine. It's the perfect bike to use as a weekday commuter, a weekend canyon bike, and of course, cutting laps on the track. There are a lot of reasons it's so good at so much. Starting with its size. Compact, light, a tribute to Honda's understanding of mass centralization. The four-cylinder engine revs like nothing you've ever ridden, unless you've ridden a MotoGP racer. The chassis, an aluminum twin-spar design, is the basis of the CBR600RR's laser-sharp handling. Brakes. You can choose between its conventional triple-disc setup or opt for a special version with Honda's revolutionary combined anti-lock braking system, CABS. The first ever on a production supersport motorcycle. Bred to win. Honda's new CBR600RR has moved the supersport game on. Its razor-sharp handling, pinpoint accuracy and incredible power delivery are certain to make a difference to your ride. Live for this moment, you can see the Honda RC213V MotoGP racer's DNA all over the new CBR600RR. The aggressive fairing, twin line beam headlights, minimalist tail unit and center-up exhaust. But what makes the CBR600RR truly special is how it performs. When the twist of the throttle is timed to perfection and the engine screams in harmony with your soul. When all of the sounds of the world are nothing but a whisper on the wind around you. When machine and rider are one. Live. For this moment. Raw power tamed in an instant. And if it looks fast, it's because it is fast. The 599 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled four-cylinder engine not only drives incredibly hard to its red line, but is also flexible, punching out strong mid-range torque. Its remapped programmed dual sequential fuel injection system, PGM-DSFI, delivers even sharper throttle response and feel, while the IACV, intake air control valve, now works at all RPM, for much greater sensitivity and control. It's as if your right hand is directly hardwired into this engine. Racing DNA. In 2003, the Honda CBR600RR entered the world supersports arena and instantly changed the game. It has been the supersports weapon of choice for 10 years, taking 7 world championship titles and 9 manufacturers' world titles. We take our learnings from the track and apply them to our production bikes, and the 2013 CBR600RR is no exception. Racing lines. Beautifully clean, the CBR600RR's aerodynamic package is derived from Honda's MotoGP race machines, with clear references to the current RC213V. Its lines echo the design of the factory race machine. It not only reduces drag but also improves stability and provides excellent wind protection. Speed. Distilled. No matter if it's on the track or the street, the 2017 CBR600RR is a winner. Without a doubt, the definitive 600 cubic centimeters supersport. A winner on the track and street. We're not going to tell you that your new CBR600RR can go up against MotoGP World Champion Marc Marquez's Honda RC213V, but we will tell you that there's plenty of technology proven on the track built into every Honda Sportbike engine and chassis. And the CBR600RR is no exception. Honda Electronic Steering Damper, HESD. The compact HESD helps maintain predictable high-speed handling and low-speed maneuverability. Way more sophisticated than a simple fixed-rate damper, it's one of the keys to the CBR600RR's extraordinary handling. Key features, options and pricing. Honda 600 class sport bikes are one of the best choices a rider has ever had. They've always offered a near magical combination of handling, power, compact size, and overall performance. And the CBR600RR is clearly the best 600 we've ever offered, especially since you can get one with our revolutionary combined ABS. There's no room for second best in this class. And the CBR600RR is a standout performer both on and off the track. CBR600RR features and options. 599 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder Honda electronic steering damper. CBR600RR ABS features and options. 599 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder Honda electronic steering damper. Electronic combined ABS. Engine/drivetrain. Centrally located ram air intake system delivers mid-range power and good throttle response in the high RPM range. Chassis/suspension. The 41mm show a big piston fork, BPF, features a large damper piston that generates damping forces at low internal pressures to allow for smooth, responsive fork action. Adjustable for spring preload plus compression and rebound damping. Unit Pro Link registered trademark rear suspension. Using knowledge gained from the Honda RC212V MotoGP race program, the aerodynamic design allows minimal drag. The development and testing used with this CBR600RR bodywork, in turn, led to aerodynamic advancements that were incorporated into the RC213V. This aerodynamic efficiency lends itself to agile handling and good wind deflection for enhanced rider comfort. USA specifications/technical details. US MSRP price, $12,799 USD. Engine type 599 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder. Bore and stroke 67 mm x 42.5 mm. Induction dual-stage fuel injection, DSFI, with 40 mm throttle bodies, Denso. 12-hole injectors. Ignition computer-controlled digital transistorized with 3D mapping. Compression ratio 12.2:1. Valve train DOHC, 4 valves per cylinder. Drivetrain. Transmission close ratio 6 speed. Final drive number 525 O-ring chain. Chassis/suspension/brakes. Front suspension 41 mm inverted big piston fork with spring preload, rebound, and compression. Damping adjustability, TBD inches travel. Rear suspension unit Pro Link registered trademark HMAS trademark single shock with spring preload. Rebound and compression. Damping adjustability, 5.1 inches travel. Front brake dual radial mounted 4-piston calipers with full floating 310 mm. Discs, Honda. Combined ABS. Rear brake single caliper 220 mm disc, Honda combined ABS. Front tire 120/70 ZR17 radial. Rear tire 180/55 ZR17 radial. Dimensions. Rake 23.5 degrees, caster angle. Trail 97.7 mm, 3.9 inches. Wheelbase 53.9 inches. Seat height 32.3 inches. Curb weight 410 pounds, includes all standard equipment, required fluids and a full tank of fuel ready to ride. Fuel capacity 4.8 gallons. Miles per gallon TBD *. Other. Model ID CBR600RR. Emissions meets current EPA standards. California version meets current CARB standards and may differ slightly due to emissions equipment. Available colors red/black. Factory warranty information. 1 year transferable, unlimited mileage, limited warranty, extended coverage. Available with a Honda protection plan. Note: Honda's fuel economy estimates are based on EPA exhaust emission measurement test procedures and are intended for comparison purposes only. Your actual mileage will vary depending on how you ride, how you maintain your vehicle, weather, road conditions, tire pressure, installation of accessories, cargo, rider and passenger weight, and other factors. European specifications/technical details. Europe/UK MSRP price, £8,999 GBP, on the road Inc. 20% VAT. Engine. Bore A/mm, 67x42.5. Carburation PGM-DSFI electronic fuel injection. Compression ratio 12.2:1. Engine displacement, cc, 599. Engine type, CM superscript 3, liquid-cooled 4-stroke 16-valve DOHC inline 4. Max. Power output 88 kW/13,500 rpm. Max. Torque 66 Nm/11,250 rpm. Starter electric. Wheels. Brakes front 310 x 4.3 mm dual hydraulic disc with radial mount 4-piston calipers. Floating rotors and sintered metal pads. Brakes rear 220 x 5 mm hydraulic disc with single piston caliper and sintered metal pads. Suspension front 41 mm fully adjustable INT root show a big piston fork, 120 mm. Travel. Suspension rear unit ProLink with gas-charged remote reservoir damper, adjustable. Spring preload and compression and rebound damping, 130 mm axle travel. Wheels front hollow section 12-spoke cast aluminium. Wheels rear hollow section 12-spoke cast aluminium. Dimensions and weights. Battery capacity, VA, 12V 8.6 Ah. Caster angle 23.5 degrees. Dimensions, LA WAH, mm, 2029 x 684 x 1115. Frame type diamond, fine die cast aluminium. Fuel consumption 56.5 mpg, WMTC mode. Ground clearance, 137. Curb weight, kg, 196. Seat height, 823. Trail, 96.3. Wheelbase, 1373. Transmission. Clutch wet, multi-plate with coil springs. Final drive number 525 O-ring seal chain. Gearbox 6-speed. The review is from www.totalmotorcycle.com.